Okay, so I have the Stihl MS251, also known as a Wood Boss, and this is my workhorse, and it is down, completely down. It will not start. It'll try and fire, it'll stay running for a second or two, and then it dies immediately. We've changed the air filter, the spark plug, and the fuel filter. No luck. It will not stay running. My belief is that it's possibly something with the carburetor. I can't get it to stay on long enough to spray some carb cleaner in here to see if it bogs down and dies, because it dies automatically. So my guess is it's probably something in here. I am not a small engine repair person, so I have ordered another chainsaw, which won't be here for at least a week, because I have to have a chainsaw right now. We are in the middle of summer and we have a ton of firewood to cut. And in addition to that, we have just had the loggers come through, so we got to get all that cleaned up and cut down. So I have to have a chainsaw. And unfortunately, the electric chainsaw that we don't have a power cord long enough to get to where we need it to go. So, with that said, I've got one on order, so I feel a little bit more comfortable about trying to take this off and figuring out if there's something with the carb that I can do to get this working. So that's where we're at today. I'm going to try and do a video on our situation, and if I discover anything, I will go ahead and do a little update on it, and maybe even some steps on how to take this carburetor off, because there are no tutorials on this and there are no manuals on how to do this, because they want you to take it to a dealer. I've priced some parts for a new carburetor at a dealer, and they want to charge $92 just for that piece. The whole chainsaw was $330. They want $92 for a carburetor. So I can only imagine $92 plus the labor to do it is probably going to be about 200 bucks. And you can get a new chainsaw for that. So I'm going to see what I can do, see if I can take this off. It's no longer under warranty. So here we go.